There was a clever fox named Felix who lived in a green forest beside a small river. He was known for his smart ideas and loved playing tricks on others. Many animals laughed at his jokes, but some were careful because they knew he enjoyed fooling his friends. Not far away lived a kind stork named Sophia. She had long legs, a long beak, and beautiful white feathers. Sophia was calm, polite, and always treated everyone with respect. She believed that true friendship should be based on kindness and honesty. One sunny afternoon, Felix invited Sophia to his home for lunch. "I have made a special meal just for you," Felix said with a big smile. Sophia happily accepted the invitation. She thanked Felix and sat down at the table. Felix served delicious soup, but he poured it onto two large flat plates. The fox quickly licked up his soup with his tongue. Sophia tried to eat, but her long beak could not pick up the soup from the flat plate. She managed to taste only a few drops. Felix laughed and asked, "Don't you like my cooking?" Sophia smiled gently and replied, "Thank you for the meal." A few days later, Sophia invited Felix to her home. "I would be happy if you came for dinner," she said. Felix gladly agreed. He accepted another tasty meal. When he arrived, Sophia served warm fish stew in two tall, narrow jars with long necks. She easily reached the food with her long beak and enjoyed every bite. Felix pushed his nose into the jar, but it was too wide to fit through the narrow opening. No matter how hard he tried, he could not eat the stew. Sophia looked at him kindly and said, "Now you know how I felt when I visited your home." Felix felt ashamed. He realized that he had been rude and unfair. "I am sorry," he said. "I should have treated you with respect." Sophia accepted his apology, and from that day on, Felix stopped playing mean tricks on his friends. He learned that kindness and respect are much more valuable than clever jokes. Moral of the story: treat others the way you want to be treated. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.